Imagine plugging in your Tesla, walking away for a coffee, and coming back just 90 seconds later to a fully charged battery. Sounds crazy? Elon Musk is working to make that the new normal, with aluminum ion batteries. This breakthrough could end Tesla's dependence on lithium, a metal that's expensive, limited, and harmful to the environment. For years, lithium ion batteries powered the EV revolution, but now they're the bottleneck, slow to charge, costly to mine, and controlled by only a few countries. Musk's solution: replace lithium with aluminum, one of the most abundant, affordable, and recyclable metals on Earth. Tesla's aluminum ion battery prototypes are already showing promising results. They charge 60 times faster than lithium batteries, last over 10,000 charge cycles, and remain stable even at high temperatures. That means no overheating, no fire risk, and no ethical issues tied to dangerous mining practices. These batteries use aluminum foil as the anode and graphene as the cathode, creating a lightning-fast, high-efficiency energy system that could revolutionize how we power not just cars, but homes and cities too. And unlike lithium, aluminum is everywhere, from the US and India to Brazil and Africa, making it immune to supply chain manipulation. If Tesla can bring this tech to mass production, it could drop the price of EVs dramatically. A $20,000 Tesla today, it could cost under $12,000 soon. And with charging speeds like this, EVs might finally rival gas cars in convenience. But this shift isn't just about better batteries, it's about global control. China currently dominates the lithium market. Now countries like India and China are racing to secure aluminum and bauxite reserves in Africa. The entire EV supply chain is being rewritten and Tesla is leading the charge. Meanwhile, major automakers like Toyota, BYD and Volkswagen are scrambling. They've invested billions into lithium-based tech, but now they're rapidly pivoting toward aluminum-ion R&D just to stay in the game. Because if Tesla succeeds, it won't just sell better cars, it'll own the future of battery technology. This isn't just a cool upgrade, it's the next chapter of the electric revolution. And just like steam gave way to diesel, lithium is now making way for aluminum. Faster, safer, cheaper, and greener, this is the battery tech that could change the world. So the only question left is, who's ready for it?